Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. This is a channel that provides dashboard and other data management tools. The purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage your project and to manage your business affairs. So today we'll look into project planner, and this is the overall project planner that actually has an activity, implementation, and the plan. If you are actually new to this channel, welcome to Get Data Solution, and I will discuss today about project planner. So first of all, before building this project planner, we write here our start date and end date, so it will actually shown here on our project periods for the date we have actually selected here. Actually, it is very recommendable to use 2 month gap, otherwise it will actually be a long chart. But to manage it easily, 2 months gap is very important and recommendable. And I have used here for June 1 to July 31st, and here is indicated here the dates of uh, the date intervals. So I will actually insert my input here, and the planner will actually display here. The first one is the activity here. I will insert my activity in this column, then project owner here in this column. I can insert a project owner or a person responsible for each activity. Okay, then I will actually insert start date for this particular activity. Here the start date is indicated here by June 1, and finish date is 12. Then the actual date is here, and the finish date is here. This is for actual, and then the display will be actually by blue color for planning, and for actual with green color. So as you can see here, this is the start date is June 1 and the finish date is June 12. Actually June 12 is not displayed here because the weekend are actually omitted purposely. So if I make, for example, the implementation starts a bit delayed by at least 2 days here, as you can see here, then on the 3rd, and it's also extended by this amount of days. If I make this change, for example, if I make it 18, that will be displayed here. As you can see, I can actually increase. So for the second activity, it is actually planned to start on 22 of June and 29 of June. If I make it, for example, 20, can you see it? It will actually adjust the date and it will finish by that. If it is actually, as you can see, it is actually a bit delayed, but if it is actually started on the same date, can you see it? and also finished on the same dates, we can adjust it. But so this is a very important project planner that we can actually use to track our progress. So from this chart, we'll fill for other activity in a similar manner here. So we know that our status and our progress. So from this planner, we know that for every activity, for example, whether it is actually delayed or extended compared to our planning, the planning is in blue and the actual is in green. So whether it is completed on the same dates or whether it is extended. For example, this one is actually delayed by 2 days and extended by this much amount. And for example, this has been actually also delayed and extended by days, yeah, by more days, for example, in this case. So this is very useful to track our project and business as well, not only for project, but also for business people. Business people can use this to track the progress of their business affairs, and the project people can also use for to track the project, to manage their project. So you can actually know exactly how it is actually your activity is performing, whether they are actually extended or delayed or exactly as planned. So it is actually good to manage your project, and it actually give you an option to manage your project, and you will actually focus into your project and where you are actually if you actually where you have to focus for next in your action. So if implementation is delayed, actually you can actually simply omit this and it will go on. So if actual is not started, you can simply ignore it. Otherwise, you can actually display your dates. So that's all about this project planner. And here also uh, on top, you can see for plan is in green and actual this indication of this. And so this is a, a good project planner to track project as well as business affairs, and I recommend this to use by project actors, NGOs, governments, and the business people. And that's all. And I hope you have enjoyed this project planner to manage your project. If you like this video, please subscribe and share, and also like it. And welcome to this channel once again, and bye bye.